Hey guys, welcome back. So if you're new, welcome, and I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave. Today's video, I have a Dollar General 5 off 25 scenario for you guys, and I think it's an awesome deal. So let's go. So the first thing you want to pick up is the Gain dryer sheets, and they are priced at $3.95 this week, and we have a $2 off digital. The Gain detergent at $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital. The Gain fabric softener at $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital. The Gain flings at $3.95, and we have that $3 off digital. Be sure to grab the 16 count. The Always liners, $3, and we have a $2 off digital. The Gain fireworks, $3.95, and we have a $2 off digital. The Mr. Clean is at $2.50, and we have a $1 off digital. So your total is going to come to $25.25. That is before coupons or anything. Then we're going to use our 5 off 25. That is going to bring our total down to $20.25. You're going to minus $14 in coupons. So your new total is going to be $6.25 or 89 cents each. And guys, that is definitely not a bad deal for all these items you are getting. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing, guys, from my home to yours. Bye, guys.